Good morning, students. My name is M.S. Somshekar from Nilambika Girls High School, Sirigire. Today, I will teach you a lesson from the 9th standard English, that is Justice Above Self. Justice Above Self is a lesson written by Munshi Premchand. So, Munshi Premchand is one of the famous writers in English. She is known by the Munshi Premchand as a famous Indian author and a poet who unheard into a modern Hindi and Urdu literature with his writings. The writer is mainly recognized for his creations that always contain a social message. He is very popular because there was a content in his writings about social message and raised a voice. Through his writings, he raised a voice against the social evils that are prevailing in Indian society. So many social evils are prevailing in our society. Through his writing, he questioned them. He raised a voice about those social injustice or social evils that are prevailing in our society. For that social message was very popular for his writings. The present lesson is also one of the stories written by Munshi Premchand about justice above self. Justice means nyaya. Above self. ಸ್ವಂತಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. So while we are giving justice, we should give justice for the truth. We should not deviate the justice for the sake of self, for personal or any persons who are very familiar to me, friend or relatives to me. That whoever the person isn't to justice, we should not consider them. We should consider only justice. Justice for justice. Justice should be always have a truth that should be accepted by all. Here, see, there is a situation how there are two friends named Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. They are very good friends. They, because of the justice, they become different one another. So after come to know that what is justice, once again they united and become a good friend. It's a very simple story and also a very interesting story. So go through the lesson. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either one of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. Who are the good friends in the story? Yes, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. Were the good friends. How was their bond of friendship? Very good. So their bond of friendship was so strong. How was their bond of friendship? Their bond of friendship was so strong that when either of them, so any one out of the two, whether Juman or Algu went out of the village, the other would look after the family. If Juman went away from the village, Algu look after his family. If Juman went away from the village, Juman look after Algu's family. Like this, both were mutually cooperated each other because of their bond of friendship. Because their bond of friendship was so strong. A question will be asking: who are the good friends in the story? How was their bond of friendship? Who are the good friends in the story? Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. How was their bond of friendship? It was so strong. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either one of them, Ibrali Obru, went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected. Because of this, they are both respected. Both are greatly respected in the village. Why were they greatly respected? Because of their friendship, because of their bond of friendship, both Juman and Algo were greatly respected. I think it is clear. It's very simple. The first paragraph, you learned that there are two good friends. What are the two good friends here? Juman Sheikh and Algo Chowdhury. How was their bond of friendship? It was so strong that either one of them went away from the village, other would look after the family. So because of this reason, both are greatly respected in the village. Who are greatly respected in the village? Juman and Algu. Why? Because of their bond of friendship. Okay. Shall we go to the next paragraph? Juman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years, but thereafter the situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. Juman became as indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady made for survival. She swallowed these insects along with the food for a few months, but patience has its limits. But patience has its limits. Okay. In the second paragraph, we see Juman. So one of the friends, Juman, he is having an old aunt. In his family, there was an aunt. She was very old. She was old aunt. He had an aunt. Juman had an aunt. She was age old. Juman had an old aunt, and she had some property. This old woman had some property. There is nobody in her family. Juman had an old aunt. That old aunt had some property. This she transferred. She transferred this property to Juman. She transferred all her property, what she had, to transfer to Juman because he was her relative. There was an understanding between the Juman and his old aunt. What was the understanding? That she would stay with him. If she transferred her property, she could stay in his family. And he would look after her. And he would look after her. That was the understanding between the Juman and the old aunt. Okay? So, who had an old aunt? Juman had an old aunt. What she had? She had some property. Why did she transfer to Juman? She transferred her property to Juman and understanding that she could stay with him and he would look after her. That arrangement worked well. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. 2-3 years it is very nice. But thereafter the situation changed. After a couple of years, the situation in the family changed. They did not look after her as they looked after previously. So the situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the old lady. They get tired. Tired of their old relative. Why should we look after? They think it is not of risky, so they thought it was risky to look after. So they became tired of their old relative. Who was her old relative? Her aunt, his aunt. Juman became as indifferent to her as his wife. Already his wife. Whose wife? So Juman's wife was not looking after well. She was indifferent. As like his wife, Juman also shows indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food. She grudged the little food they have given. Grudge means gave unwillingly. So they gave food not willingly. Unwillingly they are giving the food. Who are giving the food? Juman and his wife were giving the food to their aunt, not willingly. So unwillingly. So they don't have any love to her. Just they are giving the food unwillingly. So the aunt did not tolerate all those things because they are not looked after in free because she has transferred her property to Juman and understanding that she could stay and he would look after. But after some couple of years, the situation changed. They were tired of their old relative. They even hesitated to give a little food that she eats. Grudge even the little food that the old lady needed for a survival. How much the old lady will eat? She would eat only a little food to survive. So even for that little food, they did not give willingly. They gave unwillingly. She swallowed. She swallowed this. She tolerated those problems. Tolerated these insects along with the food for a few months. So Lord, let it be. So they were young. They will do some mistakes. After some time, they will rectify their mistakes. Definitely, they will look after me, and I will stay with them. She swallowed all those insects by Juman and his wife, and also the food they given without a speech. They understood. She went in the tolerance. But after a few months, they did not got repaired. Even after a few months, they continued to do the same mistake. Who? Juman and his wife, even after several months, they did not give food willingly. They did not look after her nicely. That's why, because each and everyone has a patience, but patience has its limits. She also tolerated, the old ones also tolerated those people with patience. But patience has its limits. ತಾಳ್ಮೆಗೂ ಒಂದು ಮಿತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. If it over, definitely nobody will listen to that. In the same way, here also, the Juman's aunt tolerated all those insults by Juman and his wife, but they did not got repaired. Their behavior did not change. So the patience has its limits. Next, I think you have understood the second paragraph. One day she spoke to Juman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Juman shamelessly. This made his aunt angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. Stop here. The third paragraph. One day, after swallowing tolerating all these insults, because we have already told patience has its limits. Their characters, their behaviors are over her patience. So, at last, she spoke to Juman. One day, she came to Juman and spoke to him. So, what they are doing is not good. She said, my son, who is her son? Yes, Juman, my son. It is now obvious. It is very clear. It is very clear. Understand that. So your behavior itself, it shows. It is very clear. What is very clear? I am not wanted in your house. Your behavior itself shows that I am not wanted in your house. Because from last 5-6 months, I am observing. You are giving the food unwillingly. You never look after me very well. So all these very clearly shows that I am not wanted in your house. Okay. Kindly give me a monthly allowance. So, what can you do? If you are tired about me, I will cook the food myself. So, please kindly give me a monthly allowance. Monthly, give me a little bit amount, so that I can set up a separate kitchen. What was the old one's demand? The old aunt's demand was that it was very clear that she was not wanted in their house. So she asked Juman to pay her a monthly allowance to set up a separate case. She will cook her food and she will eat and she will clean herself. She don't want anybody's need or anybody's help in her survival. That's why she asked Juman to give a monthly allowance. So hearing this, Juma said, "My wife knows best how to run the house," he said. So don't worry. Don't worry. And my wife knows. He said his wife knew. What did she knew? Best how to run the. She know how to run the house, how to look after the others, how to look after the aged people, how to look after the children, how to look after the husband. She knew very well. Be patient. Be patient. He said shamelessly because she has tolerated the patience for a long time, but they did not change. But they did not change. That's why he said shamelessly, be patient. So his answer, whose answer? Juman's answer like this made his aunt angry. Hearing his words, or which words? My wife knew how to run the house. Be patient. Hearing this word, the aunt became angry, and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. Because she already transferred the property to Juman on understanding that she could stay and they would look after her. But they were tired, they did not look after her very well. She swallowed for many days, many months. They did not got repaired. So she asked her at last to give her a monthly allowance. He neglected. He rejected to give. And moreover, Ted told his wife knew how to run the house. Be patient. Hearing his words, Juman's aunt became very angry and she decided to take this case to the village panchayat to get her a justice. To get her a justice. What is justice? According to her, he should give her a monthly allowance or look after very well, or he should return the property she had transferred. This was the justice. For that purpose, she went to the village panchayat. She decided to take the case to the village panchayat. The old lady went about meeting people, explaining her case. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her. Few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Algu said. But it is right, my son. Keep mum not say what you consider just and fair, pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth, she said. Algu did not reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. The old lady, who is the old lady? Juman's aunt. Who is the old lady in the story? Juman's aunt went about meeting people. She went to different people, explaining her case. What was her case? Her case was she had transferred property to Juman and understanding she would stay with him and he would look after him. But after a couple of years, they did not look after her well. That's why she demanded a monthly allowance from him. But he neglected. But he rejected to pay a monthly allowance or even to transfer back her property. That's why she went to different people explaining her case to get her justice. Hearing her case, some people sympathize with her. Some people, yo, papa, check. Somebody says sympathy, anukampa. Some people shows anukampa towards the old woman, sympathy, the old woman. Yet others laughed. Some people laughed at her. Not better. Yenta mudikedi. Ashtu buddhi ilva. Let some people sympathize with her. Some others laughed at her. Few others advise. Yet few others advise. Salahe kotrenta. Make it up with her nephew and his wife. Make it up. Just a size go. You can adjust with him. Adjust with your nephew and who is our nephew? Juman Sheikh. Adjust with Juman and his wife because you are age old. If you adjust, at least they will look after something. Like this, different people give different advice. Okay. So why did she went? How did she went to meet the different people? She went to explain her case to the different people. They gave different opinions. Some people after hearing her case said that sympathize with your papa, sympathize. Yet others laughed at her. Some others advised, make it up, adjust yourself with your nephew and wife. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary. Who was Algu Chaudhary? Algu Chaudhary was the best friend of Juman. If Algu says, Juman will not say no. So, after meeting several people, at last she came to Juman's best friend, Algu Chaudhary, and spoke to him. So, after listening to her, he said, you know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. You know, she knew very well what she knew. Juman is my best friend. So you might have known, he very clearly knew that Juman is not my enemy. Juman is not my neighbor. He is my best friend. No doubt in it. Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? How can I say against Juman? Because Juman had made a mistake. How can I speak against Juman in the panchayat? It is not possible because Juman is my best friend. Being my best friend, how can I speak in the panchayat against Juman? It is not possible. From him, he said. He was helpless because he was his friend. Algu said Algu. After hearing, she said, but it is right, my son. Keep quiet. In Sarina Maga, Sumne without speaking, not to say what you consider just and right. Just don't speak for me or against him. Just speak what you feel fair and just. ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ, ಅವನ ಪರವೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಬಂದು ಏನು ಸತ್ಯ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ, ಯಾವ ಸರಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ ಅದು ಹೇಳು. Like this, the old woman requested, pleaded the old lady, come to the panchayat and speak the truth. She said, the old man said to the Algu, please come to the panchayat and speak the truth. What you have known? She said. Algu did not reply. For her request, he did not give any reply because Juman was his best friend. But her words kept ringing in his ears. What were her words? Is it right to kept mum not to say what he considered just and fair? So these words of her aunt were ringing in, though he did not speak anything, whether he would go to panchayat to speak for aunt or against Juman, he did not reply. But her words ringing in his ears. What the old one said. I think you might have understood this part of the lessons, the today's class. So I will ask some questions about the today's class. Please answer. How was the bond of friendship between Juman and Algu? Yes, Juman and Algu were good friends. The bond of friendship was so strong that either one of them went away from the village, the other would look after the family. So both are greatly respected in the village. This is the answer. You can write in the notes. On what condition did Juman's aunt transfer property to him? So we know that she had transferred her property to Juman. On what condition she had transferred? Juman's old aunt transferred her property to Juman. An understanding. What was the understanding? She would stay with him and he would look after her. That was the understanding. Only on this understanding, she transferred her property to Juman. What did the aunt demand to set up a separate kitchen? What did the aunt demand? Yes. Very easy question. Okay. The aunt demanded a monthly allowance to set up a separate kitchen. Okay. Next. What made the old lady angry? What made the old lady angry? After she demanded the monthly allowance, Juman said his wife knew how to run the house best. Be patient. These words of Juman made the ant angry and take the case to the village panchayat. How did the people react to the old lady when she went about explaining her plight? Plight means condition. How do the people react? Some people reacted and sympathized with her. Some people laughed at her. Yet others said, make it up with your nephew and me and his wife. Like this, a different kind of people gave different kinds of solution. Why did Algu Chaudhary say that he could not go against Juman? Why did Algu Chaudhary say he could not go against Juman? So Algu Chaudhary said he could not go against the Juman because Juman was his best friend. I think so. It is clear. I think the today's class is very clear, and also the questions that follows also clear. Please read. I am repeatedly telling you, read lesson and answer the questions in your notes. Thank you.